Hi, my name is Rachel Ewens. I'm a mobile strategist and I run a app blog called ladyapp.com. And today we're going to talk about a useful and sometimes kind of fun technique you can do on your iPhone to add new words to your iPhone's dictionary. So adding words to your iPhone's dictionary is a little counterintuitive the way it's done. So let me walk you through it. We're going to start by hitting the settings button. It looks like a little gear. So once we get into settings, we're going to scroll down until we get to general. It also has the gear logo on it. So within general, we're going to scroll down until we see the word keyboard. We're going to tap on keyboard, and we're going to go to a section that says shortcuts. So that's the kind of deceptive concept on it, is there isn't exactly a feature that says add to dictionary. What you need to do is shortcuts. So we want to add a new shortcut. So a phrase we might want to use is, let's see, on my way. So we're going to type in the phrase on my way. And the shortcut we want to have for it is just a quick little abbreviation, OMW. Save. So then in the future, when we're typing a message to a friend, I can just say OMW, OMW, and it'll already know I'm on my way. So whether it's a fun prank or a useful shortcut, I've just shown you how to add words to your iPhone's dictionary. So again, my name's Rachel, and this has been how to add words to your iPhone's dictionary.